All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. So this is a Hennessy-based cocktail. We also got some Grand Marnier. We're gonna do some lime juice. And then we got the strawberry. Fill with ice. Give it a good shake. Top with some pineapple. And we're gonna garnish with a fresh slice of orange. There we go. All right, and a nice little touch. We're gonna go ahead and put a nice flower right on in there.